I'd like to spend a few moments and introduce you to Melodic Motion Etude number 50. This is a very brief line, but it has some nice relationships on the fingerboard here that I think are important to know. And if you've not yet done so, I'd ask that you do please subscribe to the channel. It does help. Like, share, and leave a comment. It's always very good to hear from you. If you'd like to leave me a tip, that would be very pleasant. A nice surprise. My PayPal information's there in the description below. And let's get started with Melodic Motion Etude number 50. There's a Melodic Motion Etudes playlist, and there are a lot of other playlists. I don't know how many at this point, but it's got to be 20 plus of different topic areas. So if you're interested in this kind of thing, or in guitar playing, then please do check those other playlists out on my channel. So this is a little formula. So we're walking from F to a kind of G over B to C first inversion. So it'd be something like 4, 5, 1, then G, this is G, A7, D minor, then we're going to have A minor, B7 over D sharp, E7, then B half diminished to E7 to A minor. So I'll go over those positions and fingerings. 8 and 10, F and A. So we're going to keep that A going on the second string. This is part of an appealing part of this sound, I think, because we hear the bass rising from below. So 8 and 10, 7 and 10 on the 6th string. We have a little run. 10, 8, 10. And now we're going to get middle two fingers, if you please. 8th and 9th fret, C and E. Then we're going to rise up. This is the reason I would recommend these two fingers, because we're going to have that kind of action. 8, 9, 10. And then 7 and 8, E over, or sorry, C over E. We've talked about these a lot in other Melodic Motion Etudes. So this is making a little 4, 5, 1 in D minor with G major, A7, D minor over F. So roughly same pattern. 10 and 12, G and B, C sharp and B, coming down, 10, 12, and now you can get maybe a bar. 10 and 10 on strings 6 and 3. And you can go to the first inversion. So I'm trying to keep the relationships consistent by below, above, and first inversion. This could also go, you get up here to the same kind of grouping, F and A, but now we're on 6 and 3 strings. Yes. So where are we? And now let's do A minor. A minor is 12 and 13, 5th and 2nd strings. D sharp and C, so it's as if it's a B7 with a flat 9 coming down the scale. 13, 12, 14. We can keep that note right there and move the bass up to 12, and now it's E7 sus. So 14, 13, 14, and then first inversion E, 11 and 12, G sharp and B. If you want to rise up, so here's this outline of B minor 7 flat 5, 14, 15, B and D, and then E and D, 12 and 15, 15, 13, 12, coalescing into A minor. And if you want to go to first inversion, you could do that. It'd be possible to keep this line going for a long time. So 12 and 13, 12, 10 and 10. So it can go all over the place. Pardon the mistakes. I hope this finds you well and enjoying your music, finding new things that you like. And I do wish you, as always, for those who have stayed this long, you get to hear it from me. I wish you a very good day.